everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I got my third and main winter box. So if you're familiar with Third and Main, they now do seasonal boxes. And they release what those boxes are ahead of time. So you're able to see what's in the box before purchasing it. And they don't just release 1 or 2 or 3 boxes. They offer, oh my goodness, like a combination that it probably comes to close to 15 different varieties of boxes every quarter. It's pretty cool. So the one I have here is their contemporary decor box. It's their version 2, and it's called In Theory. And it was $260. So if you buy one of their seasonal boxes, then you get a code for 10% off all purchases leading up to the next box. So in here, there are 2 additional items that I purchased, and I got 10% off of those items. So let's dive in. Now, I have already opened the box just because they seal it so well. It takes a little time to get it all unsealed. As you can see there, I didn't get it all unsealed. So that was just saving time. But let's get in here. Okay, as you can see, there's the packaging. I'm really excited to see one of the items because it's a true winter item that I can leave out all season long. It's not just Christmas. All right, very well packaged, as you can see here. So the first 3 items that I'm seeing here were add-ons. So I'm gonna get them down and I will show you. These were $14. Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness, they're just slipping out of the packaging all of their own. Okay, here we go. So the first 3 items were $14 each, and I got 10% off, but they are amaryllis stems. So these are seasonal, as you can see, and they are going to take a little loving to get them, fully opened up, but they are extremely beautiful. Very great, very good quality. I cannot remember if these leaves were real touch or not, but they are super soft. So it's going to take a little manipulation to open those up, but I got 3 of them. So there is the second one, and then the third one. There you go. So pretty. Now, I am not familiar with amaryllis, so I guess there's 3 pods and 2 opened because this one's completely closed. I just, for some reason, thought they were 1 pod flowers, but maybe they're not. I have no idea. But regardless, we got 3 pods, and they're beautiful. So let's now get my other items. All right. This one, gosh, we're gonna have to wait and see what this one is. I'm thinking it might be part of like the winter box based on the size of it. So let me get in here and actually see. And, they're, like I've said before, their site is one of those, if you don't want to spend money, then you don't go look at their site. Because they have so many pretty things, you just can't help not buy something. I literally have been trying to stay off the site. Although I did buy a mystery box. Yep, so a mystery box from them is going to be coming. So yes, it does look like this is one of the items in the subscription box. All right. So getting it all unboxed here for you. Okay. It is a candle taper stand. And it moves. So you can style it however you want. You can have it straight across. You could have it like this. You can have it like this. You can have it, oh my goodness gracious. Now I'm just, you know what I'm saying. But I'll probably have mine like this, I'm thinking. I'm not sure because I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put it yet. So isn't it pretty? And I already have pretty candles to put in that. So this, I believe, gosh, in my mind, it's going multiple places. But I'm pretty sure it's going to go on the dining room table. Pretty sure. Okay, next item then is an add-on. And I'm waiting. The item that I'm most excited to see, I'm waiting and showing you last. Although I'm getting glimpses of it. Okay, so this item I added on. Oops, it was $40 and I got 10% off, so it came to $36. And it is a green vase. I was eyeing it, and then finally I just said, you know what? I'm getting it. And for $36, I think that's an amazing deal. Look at the size of that opening. It's probably close to the size of my head. It is a nice size vase here. So pretty. And then my last item. So to clarify, the two items that came in my box was this and what I'm getting ready to show you. And that was the $260. All right, you guys ready? Here it is. Oh goodness. Okay, so it's not tight in there. So very pretty from the top. So let me show you. So it does come out. So you've got this vase. So I can use it for multiple things, not just this arrangement. And then this pretty arrangement to go down in it. Now it will take, I think, maybe a little manipulation. So this is what it looks like from the top. I am going to move the flowers around a little. So my impressions. I will say that this vase was expensive. It was expensive because I'm looking at this going, is this worth $260? That's the question. So really it's three things. It's not just two things. And it is an assortment of several flowers. Let's just say the flowers are going $13 on her site. So then we have $130 worth of flowers. So then the question is, no, 130. I'm just going to say 145 because of these things. $145. So that leaves $115. The question is this vase and this $115? Now, I know this vase was crazy expensive on their site, but is it worth the price that they have it as? It is a very heavy vase. It is nice. Gosh. I wouldn't pay what they're asking for it on their site. You know, guys, I think if I were to buy this vase just outright, it's probably running 50 or 60, which is less than I believe what they're selling it for. This, I guarantee it's probably running 50 or 60 outside of their stores, my assumption. So pricing is probably spot on. Even though, gosh, it seems like so much, but Things are expensive now. And these roses, I mean, they do feel like real roses. And they're very nice. So, yeah, you got to take in quality. So, do you love my flowers? Aren't they pretty? I think they're beautiful. I'm surprised to see the peach in there. I didn't realize there was going to be a peach color in there. But that is perfectly fine because it goes very well. Now, I do want to fill it out a little bit more. I wish it had at least 2, maybe 3 more flowers in it, but I have got a lot of stemmed flowers myself, so that is something easily that I can fill in. But there you go. So here is my winter box from 3rd and Main, plus my additional add-on items, the amaryllis, and my vase. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Is this something that you would have picked? Go out. You can see what all of the options are, even though a lot of them are sold out. There are also a lot still not sold out. So you can check them out and then let me know out of what's out there. Did I pick the right thing for me? I'd be curious. Those that have been watching the videos for a while, did I pick out what you thought I would pick out? That's something now that I'm thinking about myself. So thank you as always. If you're watching, you're not a subscriber, I would love to bring you along on my journey. I'm trying to reach 500 people by the end of the year. Now, that is a huge goal. Huge goal. I don't think I'm going to make it, but you got to have goals, right? So if you're not a subscriber, I would love for you to stick around, hit that subscribe button, and spend some more time with me. So hope all is well, and you guys take care. Bye.